Okay, so here's your next thing of tummy time. So far you have not been too crazy about this. So this may be
Coco,
how you're going
sit.
to justify us paying for you for therapy in the future.
Coco,
we need
sit.
to do things like this. There's Coco. Coco loves Sophie. Okay, we're going to try some tummy time on the ball. Daddy, you gotcha.
No, Duke down.
Duke down.
Down.
Good.
Boy.
Oh, what do we think of this, huh?
Coco, sit.
A little bit more peaceful
Good
than the pillow.
doggies. Well, but I don't know if the angle's quite right. She's almost laying on her tummy.
Yeah.
So maybe lean her back.
Oh, bless the Soph. Bless our Sophie. Daddy said to Sophie, you're not really trying anything.
Yeah, no. Oh, she's a little bit. Maybe lean back a little bit more. Oh, there you go.
Good job. Good job, Sophie. Yeah, look at that head. That's a big head to lift, baby girl.
Oh, she did it. Good job. You can do that again?
You want to let go of your cheek? You got a death grip on your cheek there. You're going to scratch yourself again.
I don't know.
Oh, good job, Sophie. Good job, sweetie.
That's a little bit, seems a little bit better when she's not fussing.
Yeah. How you doing there, huh? How you doing there, hon? Our little Sophie. Yeah, trying to get some balance.
She's trying to climb up the ball. Okay, maybe that's enough. Maybe that's enough.
Before we have an explosion of anger, we'll pick you up here.
Yeah.
Daddy, don't get you. Oh, that's my Sophie girl.
And the doggies were watching too. There's Duke. There's Coco.
Coco still thinks Sophie's some type of rabbit.
Possibly. No, Duke. Duke down.
Good Duke.
Good Duke. Down. Duke down. Hey. Down. Yes, good boy. Good Duke.
Oh, we got hiccupes again.
Uh-oh.
Oh, here go the hiccups. Sophie and her constant hiccups. Oh, hi. Poor Soph.
Good boy, Duke.
Sweet little Sophie. Froggy little baby.
Look, she's awake though. She's looking at Daddy. Hi, Sophie. Look at the camera. Oh, sort of, kind of, maybe. Still recording. You done hiccuping?
Nope.
Oh. Curious to see how long. We were kind of timing the hiccups here. How long they last. She hiccups a good long time. Oh, she's
What's she doing?
she's spitting up.
Oh, she's spitting up